Okay, today we're going to show you how to use the TeamWall feature in the Sports Illustrated Play. Once you log onto your Sports Illustrated Play account, you'll be presented with this screen. Here, all you need to do is click on the TeamWall and it will get you started. Sometimes a banner appears, welcome you to the TeamWall, and gives you a short demo that you may go through. We'll quickly go through the navigation bar on the left. Here's your home, which is where you are right now. You can see team chat, so you can create chats with your team. You have news here, in which you can add news items and unpublished news items. You can build your photo album, schedule. When we upload the schedule, it'll appear here, but you can also add your practices and any team meetings that you might have. Here's your results, standings, your roster. You'll be able to add rosters and pictures, and we'll talk to you about that later. Statistics, sponsors, and more. We'll go through the basic functions of this today, not going into too detail. Also, there's coaches tools for you as a coach. You can email your team, text your team, customize your page content, and there's settings, and you can print your rosters if you would like. So do that. So let's get started. So the first place to really start is probably in your news. So you come in the news, and as you can see here, I created a welcome to the Orioles team, and you can upload an image and everything, and you can just add a new item here in which you give it a headline, a subtitle, your author. You can upload an image, that's what's here, and then here you can add your text, and when you're all done, you just save. I'm gonna hit cancel right now, and that's how you would add an item. We'll show you later on the mobile phone how it appears for both your parents and yourself. Photo albums is really simple. If you're familiar using Facebook or anything like that, you just add a photo album, and from there you can here add it. And then once you created your photo albums, you can add photos. If you have an existing photo album, you can go into it and add photos, edit the album, as well as delete the album as well. As I mentioned before, in the schedule will allow, it'll be pre-populated with your schedule for your games, but you can add your practices just by clicking the add event. It'll give you your duration, whether it's a practice or whatever, and your notes, your opposing team, etc. Let's spend a little time in your roster. So roster here, in which I've already pre-populated the pictures. So as you can do, you can go into a person, and once you click on there, you can upload a photo, as you can see here, as well as you'll see information about the person, the parents of that player. And then as you upload them, you can crop the their head so that they just have a headshot. Pretty simple. Statistics allows you, if you want to keep track of the statistics of if we are keeping statistics for the games, they'll be there as well. As far as sponsors, we won't spend too much time in this right now. If you look at your email, your team, it's really simple. You already have your team, because your roster will be built. You can put a subject, a body. You can text your team as well. If their texts are there, up to 130 characters, and that'll send there. Your custom page content, you have your welcome page. You can, if there's downloadable forms and files, that can be you can add locations of games and how to contact. If there's any other additional contact information you want to share with your parents, as well as in there. In the website settings, I will show you this because this is pretty cool. This one thing, and you can create a customized URL. So if you notice on the top of your address bar, it'll say like teamwall.com and have a number after it. Well, you can have teamwall.com/AA Orioles, and that's how I can access my page and from the web to see that. And there's other things in regards to your menu settings, etc. We're not going to go over this because this is just getting us started with the TeamWall. So that takes you through an overview of updating your TeamWall. I would suggest starting with the web interface on your computer to get started with updating it, and then you can maintain it through your phone. We're gonna In the next video, we'll show you how to access it from your phone.